My name is Toluwani, the creative director and founder of Tee Bakerybliss. Our bakery specializes in exclusive pastries, including small chops, donuts, pies, and custom cakes for all occasions. Through our entrepreneurial journey, our bakery has contributed to the economy by empowering individuals with valuable baking skills and enabling them to pursue self-employment opportunities. I am applying for this grant to scale up my business by investing in essential equipment such as an oven and fridge. These resources will significantly increase our production capacity and enable us to offer a more diverse range of baked goods and customer base. By winning this grant, the foundation will be investing in my young entrepreneurial stream and strengthening our community. Thank you.